Hello, my name is Mark Castillo, and this is the Jacumba Fire Station Project as constructed by D.R.E.A.M Engineering. This is the team. We are D.R.E.A.M. We have Daniel, Rhea, Enrique, Adriana, and myself, Mario. We are the team who helped to construct this project and to make it what it is.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I was the wastewater engineer for this project. I was in charge of the sewer and domestic water design for the Jacumba Fire Station. I have experienced 2 years of geotechnical engineering from my internship at D.R.E.A.M Environmental and Construction. And some of my skill and abilities is being team-oriented. I'm fluent in AutoCAD and Bluebeam. And a few hobbies and interests of mine is playing soccer during the week, surfing, snowboarding, and golfing. And I graduate this semester with a civil engineering degree.
Hello, my name is Rhea and I'm the water engineer. My role for this project is designing the fire and domestic laterals. And currently I have 4 years of experience in transportation engineering at City of San Diego. And I am proficient in Adobe Suite, Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, and ArcGIS. In my spare time, I like to draw, sing, and from time to time, I like to go cycling. And I'm graduating in May 2025 in Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering at San Diego State University.
Hi, I'm Enrique, and I'm the structural engineer. My experience is last 3 summers I've internshipped at Paradigm Structural Engineers, which is a private structural engineering firm. Some of my skills and abilities are that I'm proficient in RISA 3D, EnterCalc, Bluebeam, and I'm also very good at problem solving as well as manual analysis. Some hobbies of mine are weightlifting, sports, cooking, as well as hiking. My education is I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in science for civil engineering at San Diego State University, and I will be graduating in May 2025.
Hello, my name is Adriana de los Garzas, and I'm currently pursuing a civil engineering degree at SDSU. I'm also currently working at D.R.E.A.M Engineering as a land development intern. My role was a site civil engineer, a project manager, and storm engineer. Some of my hobbies are reading and writing and drawing, and some of my skills are civil 3D, Bluebeam, and team communication.
Hello, my name is Mario Castillo, and I am one of the wastewater engineers for D.R.E.A.M Engineering. And I've been tasked with designing the sewer pipe designs. I'm currently pursuing a civil engineering degree at SDSU, and I should be graduating in 2025. I have some experience in applied hydraulics and open channel hydraulics over the course of my stay here at SDSU, and I've developed a number of abilities and skills, most notably but not limited to Microsoft, Civil 3D, Adobe Editor, and general communication skills. When I'm not doing any assignments or tasks, I am reading as one of my hobbies. Either read or I'm learning about new subjects that are not STEM related, such as history, literature, or I'm eating new foods to become more aware of other cultures. And as for a general project background, the Jacumba Fire Station number 43 is going to replace the already existing Fire Station 43. However, it's going to be at a different location. And D.R.E.A.M Engineering is responsible for designing a full-service fire station that meets design standards for county facilities, sustainability criteria, and ADA accessibility compliance. The basis of the design is centered around civil, site civil, structural, stormwater, as well as water and wastewater engineering. And other deliverables that we have provided include the site layout, grading, utility design, structural analysis, foundation design, a drainage study, a stormwater quality management plan, a sewer study, a domestic fire and water study, as well as cost estimates.
As the site civil engineer, I was tasked with designing the proposed grade to ensure proper drainage on the site and making the parking and sidewalk ADA compliant. As the stormwater management and storm preparer, I was responsible for analyzing the existing and proposed drainage patterns to determine the size of the on-site bioinfiltration basin and the stormwater system. It was determined that 4,000 square foot bioinfiltration basin was required to treat a 100 square peak flow of 5.5 CFS, and the smallest pipe had a 4-inch diameter, while the largest pipe had a 8-inch diameter.
For the fire and domestic laterals, the purpose of it is to serve the fire trucks and those that will be leaving the fire station in an event a fire occurs. Our design for the fire pipe size is 4-inch diameter with 2,500 gallons per minute flow rate, and for the domestic fire pipe size, 2-inch diameter with 22.94 gallons per minute flow rate. The codes used for this design are the State of San Diego Water Facility Design Guidelines, 2022 California Fire Code, and the 2022 National Fire Protection Association Code.
Working alongside with Mario as a wastewater engineer, we were in charge of designing the on-site wastewater treatment system, since due to our existing conditions, there was no sewer mains to be found. So the purpose of this whole design was to provide safe and efficient wastewater treatment. And our results are shown here with a septic tank of 10,000 peak flow that was estimated at 0.0104 million gallons per day coming from the County of San Diego sewer design standards. We were able to find an area for a leach field based off of those rates, and off of the flow, you could go ahead and determine our pipe size, which ended up being 4-inch and 6-inch diameter PVC pipes.
For the structural part of the project, we were tasked with designing the foundation as well as the footing designs for the foundation. The codes I used to do this were ASCE 7-16 as well as ACI 318-19, which are both the current versions of these code books. Some of the calculations that you can see in the top right of this slide are, I have a spread footing under the at-bay calculation, as there's extra loading there and that foundation requires spread footings. And then I also have the foundation slab calculation for the rest of the building slabs. Some of the results of my foundation design were that I needed 5-inch concrete slab on grade with number 4 bars at 18 inches on center in all rooms except for the at-bay. And then the at-bay where there's increased loading system, I need an 8-inch concrete slab on grade with number 5 bars at 12 inches on center, as well as having a spread footing, continuous footing calculation of 5 foot by 2.5 foot. And then we were also tasked with constructing the building show, which you can see in the photo to the right.
When D.R.E.A.M Engineering conducted a field visit, we found that there were no stormwater main, no sewer or septic system, and no pre-existing structures in the project site. With the provided utility plan, we found that there are AT&T utility poles that is 15 feet away and an electrical pole that is 15 feet off Highway 80. In conclusion, D.R.E.A.M Engineering created a design for site development, SQAMP, on-site wastewater treatment, domestic and firewater laterals, and structural foundation designs using applicable codes and with the safety of the people in mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.